This is the easiest way to do the floating text effect. I've seen tutorials where people will click on their text, they'll create keyframes for position, they'll move it just a little bit, and then they'll go over like 5 keyframes, and then they'll move it again, and then go over 5 keyframes, and then do that again. And then they'll eventually like highlight all the keyframes and copy it. You don't want to do that. That's great if you only have Premiere, but this way will save you time if you also have After Effects. All you need to do is click on your text, right click, and click on Replace with After Effects Composition. This will open up a project in After Effects, create a whole new composition for you. All you have to do is find your text, open up the position parameter. You'll hold Option or Alt and click on the stopwatch. Then you'll want to type in wiggle parentheses, and you'll do 1 and then do comma and then 100, and then make sure that the parentheses is closed. And there you go. You can see that the text is floating nice and smoothly. Now, if that is too much for you, you can always change these numbers, mess with them just a little bit. If you change this to 50, then it doesn't move quite so far. It's just a little bit. And you can adjust it how you need to. Then when you go back into Premiere, you'll see that your text has been replaced, and you can see your text is floating. Like and follow for more.